Bringing you the greetings and everybody's prayers and the dua and the heart-filled welcome, and that's what we can do to help you, inshallah. You're not alone in this. We're here together with brothers and sisters in Islam, but I have something else to share with you. On the way over to Pakistan from Canada, when I was taking the Uber driver, he was not even a Muslim, he was not even Pakistani, but he actually gave me money to give to the people here in Pakistan to help them out. That is an indication that we're all one race, human race. So with that, keep your head up. We're here for you. We'll help you to rebuild, inshallah. We have a long-term Bible solution for you when it comes to long-term, not just the short-term band-aids. We'll rebuild it together. We'll turn that frown into a smile, wipe the tears, we'll give you hope, inshallah. Jazakumullah for hosting us. Nothing more than generous, very hospitable. Not to mention the food is absolutely the best. Bringing you the greetings and everybody's prayers and the dua and the heart-filled welcome, and that's what we can do to help you, inshallah. You're not alone in this. We're here together with brothers and sisters in Islam, but I have something else to share with you. On the way over to Pakistan from Canada, when I was taking the Uber driver, he was not even a Muslim, he was not even Pakistani, but he actually gave me money to give to the people here in Pakistan to help them out. That is an indication that we're all one race, human race. So with that, keep your head up. We're here for you. We'll help you to rebuild, inshallah. We have a long-term Bible solution for you when it comes to long-term, not just the short-term band-aids. We'll rebuild it together. We'll turn that frown into a smile, wipe the tears, we'll give you hope, inshallah. Jazakumullah for hosting us. Nothing more than generous, very hospitable. Not to mention the food is absolutely the best.